Good day everyone! Have you ever wondered why objects move the way they do? Why does a door close faster when more force is applied? And how are we able to jump? The answers to all of this can be explained by Newton's three laws of motion. These laws help us understand how force affects the movement of objects in our everyday lives. In this presentation, we will demonstrate each of Newton's three laws using simple situations like pushing a classmate, closing a door softly and hard, and jumping.
When I pushed my classmate, they started moving because I applied an external force. If I didn't push them, they would have remained standing in the same place. This demonstrates the law of inertia, which means objects resist changes in their motion until a force acts on them. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends on the amount of force applied to it. In simple terms, the greater the force, the greater the acceleration. Now I will close the same door with more force. This time the door moves much faster because a greater force was applied. This shows that increasing the force, increasing the acceleration of the object. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When I jump, I push the ground downward with my feet. At the same time, the ground pushes me upward with an equal amount of force. That upward force allows me to leave the ground and jump into the air without the ground pushing back. Jumping not be possible.